Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 1076, project employees 2. The way we'll be solving this problem is by using a subquery and other functions like group by and count. So let's break this problem into smaller pieces. The first thing that we need to know is just like which project has the most count, right? So how do we do that? Let's just do select. We have the project ID. Project ID, and then we have the count of the number of employees, right? And then you group them by the project ID. Oh, but from what table? From the table named project, and then you group by project ID, and then you want to order, right? So order by count of employee ID. Right, so let's just run this. Okay, what does this give us? This gives us the project ID and the number of employees that are associated with that project. But we need it in the descending state so that we can just limit it to 1. So if we do descending, as in like we arrange it in descending order, and then if you limit it to 1, so what does this look like? So it is giving like the project ID and the number of employees that are associated with that. That's awesome. So we're pretty close to the problem, right? Like we're just getting another additional column. So how do we get rid of that? So what we could possibly do is we could just say select project ID from project, and you group this again by project ID, and like the condition that you put is having count, which is equal to having count of employee IDs equal to the number that we pulled from this. But what is the problem here? The problem here is that we're pulling 2 columns. Do we actually need 2 columns in this case? We don't really need these 2 columns because we only care about the count and we're matching that, right? So if we just remove this, so let's try compiling this. Okay, so first test case is okay. So we're just basically telling please pick the project ID that has the count as same as the one that we have picked here. Yeah, so the first test case works. If we submit this, everything else works as well. Awesome. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I really appreciate that. It keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you folks soon. Peace.